Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. Today we're going to show you how to download the Hybrid Bank mobile app on your phone. Whether you're an existing Hybrid Bank customer or just looking for a convenient banking option in Ethiopia, this app offers a secure and easy way to manage your finances on the go. So let's get started. First, open the Play Store on your phone. Now, in the search bar, type in HIBIR. You should see the official Hybrid Bank app titled HIBIR. Now simply click on Install and follow any on-screen instructions. So once the download is complete, you can launch the Hybrid Bank mobile app and begin the registration process. Hybrid Bank offers resources to guide you through setting up your account and using the app's feature. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, be sure to leave a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tutorials. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss a video.